In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload, play, and share videos on Google Drive. This is a fantastic tool for storing and sharing your videos securely, and it's quite user-friendly once you know the steps. Let's dive in and make your Google Drive experience seamless and efficient. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google Drive website by entering drive.google.com into your web browser. Once you're there, if you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in with your Google account credentials. Google Drive is integrated across the range of Google services, so having an account is vital for uploading and managing your content. After you're logged in and on the Google Drive homepage, look to the left side of the screen. There you'll see a button labeled New. Click on this button and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, select File Upload. This option allows you to bring your video files directly into your Google Drive from your computer. Now you'll need to choose the video file you wish to upload. Google Drive supports various video formats such as MP4, MOV and AVI, so feel free to select the one you prefer. Navigate to the location on your computer where your video is stored, select the file, and then click Open. Your upload will commence immediately. Once the upload starts, you'll notice a small window in the bottom right corner of your screen showing the upload's progress. Patience is key here, as the time it takes will depend on your internet speed and the size of the video file. Once the upload is complete, you're ready to test the playback. To play the video you've just uploaded to Google Drive, simply locate the file in your drive, then double click on it. This action will open the video in Google Drive's built-in video player, allowing you to watch it directly within the platform. It's possible that you might see a message saying the video is still processing. This is okay and fairly common, especially for larger files. Give it a few minutes and it should be ready to view shortly. If you'd like to share your video with others, right-click on the video file and select Share. From here you can enter the email addresses of those you wish to share with. This method will send them an email invitation to view the video privately. Alternatively, for broader sharing where anyone with the link can view the video, click on Copy Link. Before sending it out, make sure to change the permissions to anyone with the link can view. This setting is ideal for embedding in websites or sharing across various platforms to give easy access without email invitations. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded, played and shared a video from Google Drive. Enjoy the ease and flexibility Google Drive offers for your video content. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.